Yes, sa Upwork, bago kayo makapag-apply, kailangan muna kayo bumili ng Connect. Each Connect costs 15 cents USD and it comes in packages. So for example, kung bibili kayo ng 10 Connects, it's $1.50, so mga 75 pesos. 20 Connects is $3, mga 150 something. 40 Connects is $6. Basta yung pinakamahal niya, I believe, is 300 Connects for $45. To purchase, punta lang kayo sa Upwork. Make sure syempre na okay na yung accounting. Pag nakalogin na kayo, makikita nyo dito Connects. Tapos pag click nyo yan, makikita nyo dito Buy Connect. Now, there are also ways for you to earn free Connects each month. Kasi sometimes magbabato sila dyan ng mga tasks na kailangan mong gawin. Say for example, right now, eto yung mga tasks na meron ka. Pag nakumpleto mo yan, you get 10 Connect. Magkakaroon ka rin ng 30 free Connects kapag naka-earn ka ng badge na like Rising Talent, top-rated, tsaka top-rated plus. Tapos pag na-interview ka rin ng established na client ng Upwork, you can also get free Connects there. Now, there are several ways for you to earn free Connects, but I'd still highly recommend Upwork even if kailangan mong bumili ng Connect. Just because, para sa akin, it's still the most secured platform if I'm going to look for a client para sa freelancing business ko. Just a side note, if you're going to accept a contract sa Upwork, make sure na naka-hourly. Kasi if naka-hourly siya, that means covered kayo ng Upwork. Basta meron silang ganun. Pag naka-hourly yung contract, meron silang parang security blanket na babayaran ka ng Upwork kahit hindi magbayad yung client or something like that. Anyway, if you want me to talk more about Upwork, i-comment nyo na lang dyan yung mga questions nyo. Also, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from or work from home. Chase me. Bye!